The complete opposite side of the spectrum. This is E90 Diagnosis Town. So you guys want to know the problem? You guys want to know the problem? There's no sport mode. That's the problem. Alright, quick overview of the car. Let's just have a quick look under the hood seats. Oh yeah, there's nothing broken quite like that ground strap paint. Camera can't even focus. It's just trying to cringe. See this little wire here? Tries to go to that wire there. Broken right off. Really helps ground the engine there with all the stuff going on, like the injectors and the Valvetronic servo motor and all that. Let's see what else is going down here. Oh my god. You have a custom-made ground strap, not by us, and it is glowing in the dark. You might see it if I take the camera away. Maybe not. But so far, not good. Mileage check. Oh, hey, it's the CVC. Nice. Okay, so that's your mileage check. 120, 520. Alright, time to scan it. Give it some faster data reading. Needs to go faster. Fault memory, definitely existent. See, sometimes you get way too much info. This is what's actually wrong on the car. So we pull codes for Vanos, intake, wonder why. And then the DMTL, which is not something people care about. And now we're gonna actually demonstrate the problem. As it stands, we're in the car. We're closing the door because we don't like beeping. So here, focus. Okay, much better. So here we have the PRND. Put the foot on the brake. Lights turn off. Lights on, lights off. Wonder what could be wrong here. Put it back in neutral. Pop the booty up. Yeah, so with the shifter off, it's not as simple as it being just unplugged. Everything is plugged in. Everything, it looks good. So I have one last thing I want to check. Almost forgot to mention, this function still works. So engine sport mode still works for the traction control and all that. It's just the transmission. Tiptronic doesn't work right now. And just for skeptics, let's just try it while it's on. Nothing. Oh, M2, M3. Oh, well now we're stuck in the manual mode. Oh, the plot thickens. I know what you're thinking. That escalated quickly after the plot thickened. Because, see, we had to, this is just a demonstrator that we have, because it's kind of a common problem on BM. And this is a common problem for my camera. Lack of focus. Yeah, you see it? It'll, yeah. Let's get to it. Alright, well, that concludes today's episode, and keep the stick on the ice, guys. Cheers.